Parental control is a powerful tool to ensure a safe and secure digital environment for your children. If you don't know, the iPhone has a built-in feature to set up parental control. In this video, I'll show you how you can block or limit specific apps and features on your child's device. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so first go to settings on iPhone. Scroll and tap on screen time. Tap on turn on screen time. Then tap it again. Now you'll see two options. This is my iPhone or this is my child's iPhone. If you are setting up parental control on your kid's iPhone, select this is my child's iPhone. If you want Apple to set these settings for your child's phone, you can set an age all the way up to 18. Apple will automatically censor content by their own terms. Alternatively, you can customize all the settings individually. You can set age-related content restrictions for apps, books, TV shows, and movies. Just tap on apps. Suppose if you select 9+, your children won't be able to download any app that has an age limit of 9 above, such as social media apps and certain game apps. You can do the same thing for books, TV shows, and movies. Next, under web content, you can select limit adult websites. When you are done with these settings, tap on turn on restrictions. Now set a downtime which limits usage during specific hours. You can set it according to your child's bedtime, like 7 p.m. to whenever they wake up. Here you can set up daily limits for apps and categories. Then tap on setup limit. Now set any screen time passcode. After you have confirmed your passcode, you will be asked to enter your Apple ID and password. This can be used to reset your screen time passcode if you forget it. Now screen time is on, you will be able to remotely see what type of content your child is accessing and how much time they are spending on each app. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. See you in the next video.